when you're talking about security, data theft and stuff like that, what are the kind of, for the consumer, the customer, when they're transacting on, say, GPay or on the BHIM app, what are the kind of security measures that are in place that can instill that confidence, hence build that trust and create that transparency and accountability?
In fact, on building to make the payment system safe or UPI system safe, all conceivable steps, all conceivable, let me not list it out, are in place. Banks, the NPCI, through the videos, through many kind of workshops, they have been doing. Each and every bank has come out with a numerous advertisement, leaflets, emails. Sometimes the customers get flooded with so much of emails, without reading they will delete. Even I also, after some time, I got disgusted. You also really would delete. So much of education is taking place. Still then, I suppose little more has to be done. Reserve Bank has also stepped in. Reserve Bank, RBI kya कहता है, really RBI is also advertising in a big way. And RBI has also now created the fraud registry. RBI has started publishing how much of frauds taking place in the payment system related fraud taking place. So all steps are being taken, but people are people. They will sharing the password. Which bank is not doing enough on that? Everybody is doing. But customers, even the matured customers, so-called matured customers, they would also easily pass on the password. They will keep the password 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. They will keep the password. They will keep the, in so many ways they really compromise. Mm-hmm. So it is a process of learning, and the task is also getting more and more difficult. Lot of user behavioral analytics and artificial intelligence is being put to the fraud management solutions. In fact, knowing the limitations of the best world-class fraud management tools, that they are limited, NPCI went for its own fraud management tool, which is superior to the best possible in the world. They say that they really, we understood the limitations of the best possible 1, 2, 3, and did our own artificial intelligence and analytics, and went for that. So I suppose it is a process. We have to do that, and as you would see, from last month, RBI has in the RBI bulletin published the data about the fraud, and unfortunately, international benchmark on the fraud data is not available anywhere, but RBI is in the position, publishes the benchmarking report. I believe RBI would publish the benchmarking, India's benchmark in fraud position vis-a-vis the rest of the countries in the subsequent months. That is what I gather. So that would really build a confidence that yes, there are frauds, yes, there are cases, but still then the data, the percentage of, in terms of number, percentage in terms of value is substantially lower than other countries. That is what the analysts in different workshops say. I do not have any evidentiary, any specific data to really prove that point, but the data RBI is in the process of collecting. Let me assure you that RBI is seized with this matter, NPCI is seized with this matter, best of fintech players are working on this, so we are in a comfortable place. Security would, the fraudsters are always ahead. After Jamtara, now 3-4 mini Jamtaras have come up. In the people really keep on saying that. So that we will have to really be very careful.
And for that, sir, you've given us very good password tips. So the audience is largely grateful for that.